The Green Workplace program creates a sustainable community in which the actions of a dedicated few impact the entire lab or office. Both employees and students benefit from increased sustainability. I'm ready to go. The Green Workplace program, okay, let me give it another go. Hi, my name is Alana Webre, and I'm a fourth-year Environmental Policy Analysis and Planning major, and I am the Green Workplace Coordinator with UC Davis Sustainability. So UC Davis Sustainability strives to increase environmental sustainability in all aspects of the campus, and labs and offices are no exception. The Green Workplace program provides step-by-step guidance for workplaces who are wishing to become more sustainable. The certification process is customizable for each workplace and creates achievable goals and significant reductions in waste, water, energy, and other environmental impacts. So of all building types, labs are the most energy intensive, and they create far more electronic, chemical, and solid waste than pretty much any other building type. And so that's why what we're doing here at the Green Workplace program is so important for improving sustainability here on campus. The Green Workplace program creates a sense of community in which the actions of a dedicated few create a significant impact for a lot of people. Employees and students benefit from increased sustainability, and oftentimes labs or offices in the immediate vicinity of a certified green workplace are prompted or inspired by word of mouth to get involved. In addition, working towards the shared goal of sustainability fosters a sense of community that can empower your work. Also, the Green Workplace teaches changes in daily habits that can definitely extend into a participant's private life. We created the Green Home Office and Study Space certification program during the pandemic that provides at-home sustainability tips for remote work and studying. So without further ado, here are a few sustainability tips for your lab or office. For appliances in shared spaces, make sure to use stickers or signs to remind each other when to turn an appliance on or to keep it off. So for participating workplaces, the Green Workplace program provides stickers. And similarly, when using shared lighting in a common space, make sure to turn the lights off if you are the last one out of the room. Green Workplace also provides stickers for participating workplaces. When it comes to printers, make sure to turn on the energy saving settings and also to use double-sided printing. You can also use something called a good on one side tray, or GOOS, which is a tray filled with papers that have only been used on one side that you can print on the other side for internal documents or drafts. For more tips, make sure to check out the UC Davis Sustainability website and also to learn about the Green Workplace program. Thank you so much for watching.